What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Got an update I want to share with you guys. I'm gonna be doing a video here in the next couple days, and it's one that I'm really excited about. We'll see what you guys think about it, but I'm not gonna share too much because create a little bit of suspense, you know. But I also wanted to tell you guys that the reason why that I don't do a lot of watch me work videos, it's kind of twofold. Number one, the kind of work that I do, I don't want to film inside clients' houses. I want to protect customers' privacy. There are situations where I can do it, and I kind of have to feel those out and obviously get permission and things like that. So I am going to show you some stuff, like even around my house, like I did with that closet renovation. I am going to bring those forward to you guys, but they're not going to be like every week, just because of how hard it is to one, film it, two, edit it, and then you also got to get permission. And then when things go awry, it's like, okay, I just spent all that time filming, and I might have to walk away from that job if it went too awry, which thankfully doesn't happen often. But so that's why I don't do a ton of watch me work. I like doing ride-alongs, tool reviews, business updates, tips for business, that kind of thing. I also have some reviews that I'm going to be bringing forward. There's a partner deal that I'm kind of working on right now that I'm hoping gets finalized here in the next day or two, and it's going to be a good one if they can expeditiously, you know, get me their paperwork or send me their product or whatever. But it's not one of those just like gimmicky products. This is like the real deal. I'm actually really excited about it. So more to come on that. But yeah, I just wanted to like explain that, because I don't know if I really did a good job explaining that, or you know, what your guys' thoughts are as far as like the content I'm creating, because I do want to give you education and entertainment. That is my goal, is both education and entertainment. And so if I fail, I'm gonna laugh at myself, and I hope you laugh at me, and I hope that you guys talk a little crap, but don't be like a big troll, because that's just stupid. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be dropping a video here on Thursday that is exciting to me. It's very meaningful to me, and so stay tuned. But yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are. If there's anything else you want to see, I have been posting some videos from like what you guys are putting in the comments. So I just did that one on Jobber because somebody was asking, how do I use Jobber? I didn't want to go and have you watch me on Jobber because it's going to take a while to edit that, to eliminate client information. And again, I take that stuff like really seriously. And so that takes time to blur all that out and edit it and make sure that I'm not giving out one piece of client information. So anyway, let me know what your guys' thoughts are on all of that. Also, I am going to be putting a link in the description to my Amazon store. It does help the channel out, helps me earn very small commissions on all the products that I use. This is not just stuff that I'm throwing up there. This is literally my kit. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.